isolating, a lot of people tend to forget about using their pickup tweezers as well. Using both tweezers actually makes it a lot easier to maneuver those tiny baby lashes. I normally like to angle my left tweezer pointing downwards towards the lashes, while my right tweezer is angled upward, lifting and moving the lashes away. So you might want to play around with how you angle your tweezers and what works best for you.
You can also isolate using the help of your own fingers. Of course, you gotta make sure your fingers are clean when doing this. I use my ring finger to move majority of the lashes aside. This method would work best for when there's already extensions attached, because of course, fingers are way too big to maneuver baby lashes. There's also the taping method. Depending on what tape you're using and how sticky it is, you might want to detack it first. This method works best when working with dense lash lines and a lot of lashes. And set aside the lashes so that you can work on one layer at a time. This makes it super easy to isolate and no more stickies.
Or you can use a gel pad instead of tape. I personally like using the gel pad because it's much more gentle when I want to keep adjusting and repositioning throughout the appointment. And I don't need to worry about the tape pulling out the lashes. And I like how the gel pad sticks well for clients that have concealer or foundation on.